private peninsular location. This unique boaterâ's paradise offers a main house plus an attached 2-bedroom/2-bath guest house with sunroom overlooking heated pool and a stunning outdoor living spaces in an organic setting reminiscent of old Florida. A 64 feet deep water dock, private boat ramp, and canoe/kayak docks offer sheltered dockage that takes advantage of the river views. As you enter through the Honduran Mahogany door, you'll discover a special heart-shaped stone in the foyer floor, placed so that you are welcomed home with love. The great room combines dining, kitchen, living, family and breakfast area into one open concept that is showcased with exposed beams, bamboo flooring, 65 of covered balcony with water views of a nature island owned by Martin County Audubon Society, perfect for the nature enthusiast.